Hello guys and welcome on my channel, and it is the first tutorial series in how to program an Android Studio project and how to program in Java also. And in this tutorial I will show you the basics of Android Studio environment. So we will create a new project and we'll pick an empty activity. It's not important to pick one of these because we can choose them later, but the only difference is in types of items. Like this have a floating action button and this not, and this is empty, this is basic. This have a navigation button and Google AdMob. We can add some ads to our application, a login screen, Google Maps, full screen. But now we will pick only the empty activity. Now we can name our application, so I will learn it. Okay, YouTube. Then this is a package name. When you are publishing your application, you may have your own package name. So I can use com.example, but when we are going to publish our app, we should use another a package name. So this is the save location. It's basically in Android Studio project. That's good location. I will show you where it is on your store. Then pick in Java language. It's really important because we won't program in Kotlin, so pick a Java. And then here is some SDK. So I will pick a Jelly Bean because 90% of devices can run this Jelly Bean. And when you pick some better version like Oreo, you should see that only 50% of devices can run Oreo, and we don't want to crash some Android devices. So I will pick a Jelly Bean. Okay, so finish. And now our Android Studio will load. There is a tip of the day. Okay, close. Okay, super. Our application is full loaded, and now this is an Android Studio environment, and I will show you the basics. Like this is a manifest. When you click on the arrow, you should see the Android manifest. Okay, click it, and this is our application skeleton. So this is basic settings of our application, like icon, round icon, name of application that I will show you later, and some theme. You can pick light theme, dark theme, blue theme, as you want. And then we have activities. Android Studio make with activities. It's really important because you should have main activity, welcome activity, setting activity, and this is main activity, and this is an intent filter. So the main activity will start on main action. So when you start the application, it will start with this activity. Okay, so next we have resolvables. There's drawable, layout, and values. There's the importance. Drawable, there we will pasting our images, and we can create our own, but programmatically. Drawable resource, and we will make it programmatically. Then we have layout. This is our activity main layout. Every activity have one or more layouts. I should see it like this. I will put it like, okay, super. And then we have values. There's colors and strings, and the theme, but I explained. Colors, all colors are in hex values, so you can pick one from internet as you want. Hex colors and there are HTML colors, and you can pick any color and paste it to Android Studio project and see the color has changed. But you can do the exact thing here, but some HTML colors in your browser are better than this Android Studio project colors. So I will I will put it as default. Yeah, and the back turn is Control Z if you don't know. Okay, and then strings. Strings are some text values you should use a lot of times, like an app name. When you should use an app name in your application, you only make a shortcut from app name and it will paste the YouTube. So when we create a new string, okay, and name it like OK, and it will print OK. And now we have a new string. So when we go in activity main and click on this hello world and uh, 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 and here in text we go here and we should take this OK, and you should see it's string dash OK this, and it will paste OK. Yeah, super. Okay, the strings. And now we are in an activity designer window. So this designer window is also really important because you can make your own layouts, like a button layout like this, and we have an OK with button. Hello world. Okay. Так. Okay. So now we have our basic layout, and the last thing I want to show you is here in Java folder and example YouTube, and here main activity. So here you have some examples of some activities, but we'll pick the main activity, and here we'll pasting our code in Java, and it will program all the application. So when we create a button, we will make a shortcut here and program it. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Please give me a like or subscribe when you like this video, and in the next tutorial we will show you how to uh, run your application or real device. So stay excited and bye bye.